Good morning, students. Yesterday we all studied about how weaving and knitting is done. Today we will revise it once again. How are fibers made? Fibers are made from proteins. Okay? Proteins. From proteins we get fibers. From fibers, what is made? From fibers, yarn is made. And from yarn, what do we get? We get the fabric. That is, fabric is the cloth. Okay, that we wear. Whatever we are wearing, whether we are wearing salwar kurta, sari, pants, shirts, they all are fabric. So this is how fabric is made. Okay, that is, we get fabric from the fibers. Fibers are made up of proteins, and from proteins fibers are made. From fibers we get the yarn. Yarn is what? If you remember, the long thread. And from the yarn we get the fabric. Clear? Now we will see the history of clothing. What is the history of clothing? You all have studied in your previous classes, children, that early human beings, they did not know how to sew the clothes. So what do? They used to wear the bark of the trees. What is bark? Bark means the outer covering of the tree. Okay, ऊपर का जो छाल होता है, that is the bark. So they use the bark of the trees, or they use the leaves, or even they use the skin of the animals. Okay, they use the skin of the animals. So these were the things that they used as cloths, because they did not know how to sew like we know nowadays. Okay, then slowly they discovered the needles. The needle was discovered. Okay, when the needle was discovered, what did they do? They started sewing the leaves. Okay, sewing the leaves means silna. Okay, when needle was discovered, they started sewing the leaves, they started sewing the bark of the trees, and then they started covering their cells. Okay, and then slowly, when people started learn how to use the animals, or the use of wool, or the use of cotton, slowly people started making the fabrics. And nowadays you all know that we all get so nice fabrics, isn't it? Whether it is the natural fibers or whether it is the synthetic fibers, there are so beautiful fabrics are there because of the advancement of science and technology. Clear, children? Now we come to the types of fabrics. We will see what are the different types of fabric. Types of fabrics. Okay, now when we talk about type of fabrics, the first one are the natural fabrics. I hope children you all remember what are natural fabrics. Natural fabrics means the fabrics that we get from the nature. For example, you have got cotton, jute, okay, wool, silk. All these are natural fabrics. And these natural fabrics, they are made from various parts of the plant, and they are biodegradable. Okay, the natural fabrics, or that is the ones that we get from plants and animals. Okay, natural fabrics are the fabrics that we get from plants and animals. And these fabrics, the natural fabrics, they are biodegradable. You already know about biodegradable. Biodegradable means which can degrade. Okay, salna, galna, and it can be again, it goes into the it goes into the soil, it can degrade itself. Okay, it will biodegrade. So they are good for the nature. They are not harmful for the nature. So first we will study the plant fibers. Okay, plant fibers. The first plant fiber is cotton. Okay, in natural fibers, we will start with the first fiber. This is the plant fiber. In plant fiber, the first fiber is the cotton. Okay, cotton is a natural fiber, and from where do we get cotton? We get cotton from plant. Now, as you all know, children, that we get cotton fiber from the cotton plant. Now, cotton plant is a small annual shrub. What is annual shrub? Annual means, that means it is just for 1 year. Okay, annual means 1 year. For one annual shrub, and it grows in places having black soil and warm condition. What does cotton mean? It needs black soil and it also needs warm conditions. Okay, black soil and warm conditions. And it is, when you get it, you get it in Punjab, Rajasthan, Gujarat, Madhya Pradesh and so on. Now, how do you get it? See, we get the cotton from the cotton balls. Okay, we get the cotton from the fruit of the cotton plant. Okay, we get cotton from the fruit of the cotton plant. And what is the fruit of the cotton plant? It is a small green structure that is called as the cotton ball. It is B-O-double-L, children. Okay, not B-A-L-L. B-A-L-L is the ball that you play with. Okay, B-A-L-L is the ball that you play with. This is not that ball. Here, this is B-O-double-L. So what is cotton ball? This cotton ball is the fruit of the cotton plant. Now this cotton ball contains many seeds covered with hair inside it. Okay, inside this one, this is like this, a cotton ball, and it contains many seeds inside it. Then these hair are the cotton fibers. Okay, and these seeds contains the hair-like structure, and these hair are actually the fiber of the cotton plant. And now what happens on maturing? When this matures, it bursts open. Burst open means hatke ho jata hai, explode, tuck, tuck. Okay, like this. And then what will happen? It will burst open like this, and from this comes out the cotton fiber, the whole cotton fiber. Okay, which is white in color. This is the cotton ball. After exploding the cotton, you will be able to see the cotton fiber. And then what do? They collect this cotton fiber, and then it is very difficult to separate this fiber from the seeds. Okay, as I told you, it is inside, they are covered from the seed. It will be like this, seed and then the cotton fiber. So it is very difficult to separate it with the help of the hands. So what do? They do it with the help of gins. G-I-N-S, large comb-like structure. Okay, like you all comb the hair ना, जैसे कंघा होता है, उसी तरह ये जो gins हैं, they are like comb. So what do? ऐसे कंघा कर करके gins से करते करते, what do? This seed and this fiber is separated. Seed अलग हो जाएगा and fiber अलग हो जाएगा. Okay, that is done with the help of the gins, and this process is called as ginning. What is the process called as? The process is called as ginning. G-I-N-N-I-N-G. Ginning. Okay. So what is the process of ginning? Ginning is the removing the seeds from the mass of cotton fiber. What is ginning? Ginning is removing the seed. Removing the seed from the cotton fiber. Dear children, see, I told you now, they all have got seeds. All the cotton fiber has got seeds. And how do they separate it? They separate it with the help of gel, comb-like structure. Okay, and this procedure is called as gelling. The process of removing, separating seed from cotton fiber. Seed को cotton fiber से अलग करने को gelling कहते हैं. Okay, children. I hope that this much is clear to all of you. The rest we will continue in our next class. Thank you and be safe.